Guess where we are? Peeps! Happy St. Patrick's Day! We are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we are here for Past Member Preview Day. It opened today, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, for one day. Official opening is next week, and we are here to check it out, ride some rides, check out Loch Ness Monster, and show you what may be new this year. Before we head in, I wanted to show you guys the new membership plans. These are the prices for the new membership plans. I have an old annual pass. They are switching to this new stuff. Basic membership, unlimited membership, and premier membership. Right now they're on a limited time offer with these prices. As you enter the park, they have this sign for the Battle for Eire. If you haven't seen our video, we were here doing a behind the scenes tour of this a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to put the link somewhere up here. Check it out now. As you can see, folks are bundled up. It's in the 40s today. It's actually pretty chilly, but it took a little while to get in the gate, so people are anxious to get back to Busch Gardens for the season. All right, let's do this thing. They're giving away beads. I'm not going to wear it because it's just going to fly around on the roller coaster, but that's pretty cool. Nice way to enter the park for St. Patty's. And we are here. Now, obviously, we were here a couple weeks ago, but not when it's actually open. So I'm super excited that the season has begun again here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. I wanted to show you guys the Loch Ness Monster turns 40 this year, 1978 to 2018, and so they have Loch Ness Monster merchandise out. I really like this hat. You know what that means. I'm going to buy it. Let's see, 21 bucks for the green hat, or black hat. They have it in green and gray. A couple of t-shirts down there. And actually they have some Battle for Eire merchandise as well, including a hat and shirts. So this seems new to me too. It says 7 times the speed, and it shows the 7 roller coasters: Griffon, Apollo's Chariot, Tempesto, Alpengeist, Loch Ness, Verbolten, and Invader. Pretty cool. And on top of the hats and shirts that show all of that, each one has like their own shirts. See, Tempesto, Griffon, Apollo's Chariot, Alpengeist, Loch Ness, Verbolten. Actually, that one's kind of cool. And here's the hat for that one. I like the colors on that. Actually, I like the Loch Ness one a lot too. And Invader. So Invader is the merchandise that came out when the ride came out. It's not kind of themed like the rest of these, but let me show you the rest of the hats. Alpengeist. That's cool. Here's Apollo's Chariot. They did a really good job with these. Griffon and Tempesto. So if you are a member of Busch Gardens, you can actually get this new Busch Gardens membership. You know, I was showing you the new prices in the front, and it just says member on the back. And I guess they're exclusive for members. It says 10 bucks. So I wanted to do just a quick visit here to Busch Gardens with 2 things that I definitely wanted to do. I wanted to ride Loch Ness Monster to celebrate its 40th anniversary, and I want to have a Guinness in Ireland because it's St. Patty's Day. So we're going to do both of those things and see what else we can fit in while we're here. I'm sure someone in the comments will correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that sign's new. I don't remember that ever saying Big Ben's Funnel Cakes before. So check this out. They actually have everyone cordoned off here. The park opens at 11, and right now it is 10:58. So they're about to release the groups, or the folks, onto the park. Straight ahead is Loch Ness Monster, to the right is Ireland, and I'll just wait here for a minute. I've actually never been here when this has happened. I guess I've never been here before opening. Park is open and they are letting us in, and the only thing this way is Loch Ness Monster. So I kind of think it's going to be a bit crazy right here at the opening. Happy birthday, Loch Ness Monster. You don't look a day over 40. The Loch Ness Monster is the first looping roller coaster that I ever went on as a kid. So, a bit of nostalgia for me. Looks like they've repainted it as well, because it's like super yellow. Probably repainted it in the off-season, give it a bit of a facelift for its anniversary. Very exciting, guys. Let's do it. right, our St. Patrick's Day Busch Gardens Williamsburg 2018 season starter is off to a good start. Loch Ness Monster was awesome. Let's see what other shenanigans we can get into. Check it out. There's a chicken for some reason. And for some reason, there's another chicken. Yeah, there he is, eating. Hey, chicken. And hey, if you don't like chicken, there's sheep also. Next up, we're going to head into Ireland. It is St. Patrick's Day after all. We're not going to have our Guinness yet. We're going to have our Guinness later, just because I want to ride some rides and I don't want to waste some time having a delicious Irish stout. So I'm going to come back and do that in a bit on the way out. But we're just going to go ahead and walk through. They've got it all decorated, clearly for St. Patrick's Day. I mean, they've got like, you know, garland and everything. This is fun. They actually have some special events today as well, including some musical performances. The Voltage Brothers are going to be here at 4:30 and 6:30. We're not actually staying that late for the performance, but they do have a lot of fun St. Patrick's Day themed shenanigans going on. And whoa, up there the sign for Battle for Eire is up now. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here's a better look at the new signage. That's awesome. Love the look of that. And now they actually really want to emphasize that it is an action virtual reality ride so that people know what it is going in. They even have a little picture of the virtual reality headset right there. The enchanted goggles. Well, this is new. This used to be associated with Grogan's Pub over there, but now it's O-taters. Loaded giant baked potatoes, custom hand-tossed salads, tenders, corned beef sandwiches, refreshing seasonal fruit and desserts. That's a yummy looking potato. All right, Grogan's Pub, I'll see you in a bit. And check it out, they even have like fun St. Patrick's Day themed merchandise over there. That's a St. Pat's Shenanigans team. You're going to hear me say shenanigans a lot today. Whoa, check it out. They have pictures with the fairy from Battle for Eire. Like a character meet and greet here right in the middle of Ireland. How cool is that? And over here, right next to those dudes who have their hair dyed green, is where the Voltage Brothers will be playing. They have like a full stage setup. They were setting this stage up when we came for the Battle for Eire thing earlier this year, or earlier this month. If you don't like sheep or chickens, they have eagles too. Ireland, I wanted to show you Pierre Le Frit. It's a French fry place, so you can see they have Irish fries, Italian fries, smokehouse fries, and poutine fries. That looks really good. Actually, the smokehouse looks even better. Enough with the French fries and beer, you say. You should be riding rides. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and ride Griffon next. Look, it's a leprechaun. Paul, why don't you ever show us Alpengeist? Well, guys, it's because Alpengeist gives me motion sickness every time I ride it. But for you, just this one time, because it's St. Patrick's Day, I'm gonna do it. Let's get on Alpengeist. I want you guys to know that I rode that ride twice because I'm pretty sure my camera glasses didn't film it the first time, so I'm like, oh, I gotta ride it again. And I'm pretty sure it didn't film it the second time either. So if you saw some footage, great. If not, sorry. I don't know if they're dead, I charged them, or if they're full. But I tried. I really did try. The luck of the Irish was not with me today. All the signage is gone for Curse of Dark Castle. Now it's just going to be used as a special event space, like the Frostbite House during Hollowscream and Santa's Castle during Christmas Town. Bye, Dark Castle. After riding that Alpengeist twice, I think I need some food in my belly, so I'm going to head into the Fest House, where they have another special event today. Harley Boone. Looks like a band is playing at 12 and 2, and actually, it's 12 o'clock right now. All right, Harley Boone is on the stage right now, rocking out. I know it's not very Irish of me, but it's kind of tradition that I get pizza in the Fest House. So, sorry. Check it out. They put up a Battle for Eire like banner on this bridge. Bring light to the darkness. Pretty cool. But I think I ate too much pizza. I ate like that entire thing. Like I'm looking, there's sauce on my hand. And I've like walked halfway around the park with sauce on my hand. And I'm really full. But it was good. So Escape from Pompeii is kind of like one of those giant log flume rides, like a Jurassic Park or something like that. It's pretty cool inside, some fire effects, that kind of thing. And they're running it today, and I just saw like people on it. Like there's a couple of people over there like waiting to get on it. That's crazy. But one of the reasons I wanted to show you guys this is not just to say that it's open, but also say that this is where the Deadline Haunted House usually is during Hollowscream. And the rumor is that Deadline will not be returning this year. This year is the 20th anniversary of Hollowscream, 20 years of fears, and they will not supposedly have Deadline this year, but they will have 2 new houses. It's a cloudy day, so the sun's not out anymore, and it's getting kind of chilly. It's like mid-40s-ish. As you can see, like I've got a hoodie, I've got a cap. But before I leave, we had 2 things we were going to do today, right? We were going to ride Loch Ness Monster, and the other, hey, maybe I didn't think this through. Maybe I really should have come to Grogan's first, because there's a line out the door. But it's moving fast, and it's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm a patient man. This is happening. The Guinness is coming. Very exciting. Woohoo! Alright, peeps, that does it for us here at Busch Gardens on St. Patrick's Day Pass Member Preview 2018. Official opening day is next Saturday, March 24th. Make sure you come out. Make sure you let us know when you're going to come out. Hit me up on Twitter, IOM-Paul. Let me know when you guys are going to come out. I'm sure we will be here multiple times throughout the season. So, happy St. Patrick's Day, Sláinte, and we will see you guys next time. So after all that, I'm pretty sure I don't like Guinness.